So, a super common question I get as a language and communication coach is how to date Japanese girls and women. I've seen a lot of stuff on YouTube as well as on the internet, just kind of talking about ways to date Japanese women. Yes, the information out there is not wrong, but I can say it's not good enough at all. So I wanted to shed some lights on the subject. That's today's video. Let's take a look. Hi, I'm Yuka, helping you learn from the Japanese language to Japanese culture. If you're new here to the channel and like learning Japan and the Japanese language, then hit that subscribe button down below and ring the bell so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Okay, so here is the first thing I want you to know. The things I share in this video is from my personal experience and from my profession. And as you already know, we are all different. But circumstances, culture, custom, and mentality affects us a lot, meaning Japanese has certain tendencies because of society. I want you to understand this to make your relationships healthy. First of all, if you want to date Japanese women, first you have to do is to find and meet Japanese women, right? So how do you do that? Online dating apps, language exchange apps? Wrong choice. Almost all the time they'll ghost you, even though you finally find the one who seems nice to you. I know it's normal that finding and meeting someone through the apps now, but most girls and women think that meeting someone through those apps are kind of dangerous. Because it's true, there are guys who are looking for just only hookups. So as for those apps, I don't recommend using them. Hey Yuka, so how am I gonna meet Japanese women? Here is my answer. Try to find communities and groups that you are interested, like your hobby or things you like to do. And reply to the post from the person you wanna have a conversation with. On your side note, Japanese women like a person who is neat and clean. Females in Japan, in general, care about their appearances a lot and are superficial. And now you meet a Japanese woman. The next step is that you want to know about her. You may start to ask questions, but be careful. Don't ask too many questions at once. Also, don't do many open questions at the beginning. Please give her options. Here, what you need to understand is how Japanese women communicate with others. Especially if you leave comments in English, most of them feel overwhelmed. And the funny thing is that most Japanese people believe that they cannot speak English. If they are asked, "Do you speak English?" they go like this, "No, I don't," which is English. Yes, they are not fluent enough, but they could understand English, especially text-based. I'll go deeper into the communication style topic in another video, because the result definitely changes if you know and understand this. My next tip is to learn Japanese at least bit by bit, even though you don't want to. As I said, most Japanese are not good enough in English. I'm sure the woman you met will put her effort into trying to communicate with you in English. Just imagine this. This means she is the one who puts efforts into being close to you, but you do nothing. This is not fair and not good. I'm sure at the beginning she's never even noticed about that situation, but she will sooner or later notice that. And she starts feeling unfair or tell you, "How come you don't want to learn Japanese?" This kind of conversation leads to your relationship worse. And think about it this way. If you have a Japanese girlfriend, you can practice your Japanese with her as much as you want. And compared to other Japanese learners, you are lucky enough because you like her, which means you want to talk to her and understand her. At this point, studying Japanese is not a study anymore. Also, if you stay or live in Japan, learning Japanese is necessary, in my opinion, just because it will expand your world, opportunities, and relationships. Now you know her and you want to hang out with her or date her. In Japan, hokuhaku, which means confession in direct translation, is common. what it is that you tell her that you like her and want to go out or be in a relationship with her. I know you're like, why? But this is the starting point where you and she becomes boyfriend and girlfriend in Japan. If you choose the way you are used to, Japanese women will get confused and start thinking unnecessary things like, does he like me? Does he just want to have sex with me? Are we in a relationship or not? And what's gonna happen next is like this. She's gonna decide, okay, I quit. I don't want to get embarrassed. And she leaves you without telling anything to you. And now you'll get confused. Of course, there are many Japanese women who is positive and flexible. So if she wants to ask something to you, she will ask you. And she might say, oh, I don't care about kokuhaku things. But believe me, most of them are not like that. So please keep this in mind. One of the reasons why Japanese women like guys from outside of Japan is that they are sweet and nice to females compared to Japanese guys. I don't need to tell you this, but please keep doing that. And one thing Japanese women really like is to be told nice words. So usually Japanese women not get used to be treated nice way. So it's gonna be easy for you to make them happy. One way to do so is to tell them a nice words, which Japanese guys don't usually do. For example, かわいいね means cute. 綺麗だね means beautiful. 素敵だね means lovely, pretty. 魅力的だね means attractive. おしゃれだね means stylish. And 優しいね means sweet. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll pass it off to you to let me know in the comment section what your favorite part of the video was. And I have a community for people who want to have a Japanese friend, girlfriend, boyfriend. In the community, I share how to make Japanese friend, girlfriend, boyfriend. And of course, I offer Japanese lessons too. So if you are interested, please join us. You can check the link in the description below for the details. Are there any questions you have about how to date Japanese women? Again, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Again, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button for me and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.